Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to personalize the names of your iPhone's personal hotspot? By default, it is set to iPhone, which can be confusing when connecting. In this video, I will show you an easy way to change it. Let's go. Note that your hotspot name is the name of your device, so if you want to change it, you need to edit the name of your iPhone. To do so, launch Settings, then tap on General. On the About page, tap on the iPhone name field and enter your new name. I will change mine from iPhone to Jigxor. Keep in mind that this name will also be used for Find My and AirDrop. To save, confirm with Done. Lastly, you need to refresh your Wi-Fi list to see the new name. Don't be confused if you don't see the change immediately, as it will take some time to make the changes visible. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.